Hey there, welcome to Lily Education. I'm your teacher, Miss Lee. Have you ever wondered how your body or plant performs so many tasks at once? Breathing, moving, thinking, growing, all thanks to specialized cells. So, dear student, let's define what is cell specialization. Cell specialization is when cell develops specific features to perform a particular job. Think of it like a career path for a cell. Just like in a company where you have managers, engineers, and designers, your body and plants have different type of cells for different tasks. These cells start from the same base, that is generic cell. But when they change in shape, size, and internal structure, they become suited to their role. So let's look at some amazing examples. The first one is red blood cells. Red blood cells perform the function that transport the oxygen from lungs to body tissues. Let's discuss their appearance and adaptation. Red blood cells are biconcave disc shaped, which increases their surface area for gaseous exchange. They have thin membranes, which enhance the gas exchange and flexibility. They have no nucleus, which means that it increases the space for hemoglobin and enhancing the oxygen transport. They contain hemoglobin, which can bind and transport the oxygen.
Now let's talk about the muscle cells. Muscle cells are involved in contraction and relaxation of your body parts. They help them to move. Now let's talk about the features and their adaptation. Muscle cells are long and thin shaped. They contain multiple nuclei. They are rich in mitochondria. Now all these features help them to adapt for their function. Like long shape allow contraction and relaxation for movement. Mitochondria supply energy for muscle activity, and having multiple nuclei help them in protein production, which is required for the growth and repair. The signal from your brain to move your hand travels at over 100 meters per second. And you know which structure is responsible behind this? Exactly, nerve cells. Nerve cells are responsible to transmit the nerve impulses from your brain and spinal cord to the different parts of your body. But wait, we have to study their appearance and adaptation. So, nerve cells are very long with extension called axons and dendrites. They are covered by the myelin sheath and they have a cell body with nucleus. Now let's discuss that how these appearance or features help them to adapt for their function. The long axons allow the transmission of electrical impulses over long distances, and dendrites help connect to the other nerves and the muscle cells. And what about the myelin sheath? Myelin sheath speed up the nerve impulse transmission because the nerve impulse here move in jumping form that can increase the speed too much. Root hair cell. Root hair cell absorb minerals and water from soil water. As you know that roots are very important for the plant body. Now let's discuss its appearance and adaptation. Root hair cells are long, thin extensions. They have thin cell wall and no chloroplast are present. Hair-like structures increases the surface area for the water and mineral absorption. Their thin wall allow easier diffusion, and no chloroplast as it is underground and does not perform photosynthesis. Now let's talk about the xylem vessel. Xylem vessels are the special type of conducting tissue found in plant body. They are involved in transport of water and provide support to the plant. Let's talk about their adaptation and features. Xylem vessels are long hollow tubes made up of dead cells, thick walls reinforced with lignin. Now, their adaptation include hollow structures allow the free flow of water and minerals, no end walls between the cell form a continuous pipeline, and lignin strengthen the walls and prevent collapse under the pressure.
So we have seen that the cells are highly skilled workers, each designed perfectly for their job. From carrying oxygen to sending signals, they work together to keep us and plants alive and thrive. Next time you move your arm to water a plant, remember the invisible army of the specialized cells making it happen. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you want more science made simple and fun.